Good boy. That's what I want. Good boy. Move up, move up. That was the
wow.
good boy. Alright, now let's see what he does. Woo! You are so funny. Nope, you're going the wrong way. No, I didn't want you to go to that one yet. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just trot up to a 3-foot vertical. My boy. Oh yeah, let me just trot up to this 3-3 vertical like it's nothing. Okay, he's done.
Good
done.
boy, Icky.
That was amazing.
Watch, wait. Come here, Ick. Buddy. Come here, buddy. Hi, bud.
I don't want to do it.
Hi, Ick. Oh, he's going to mommy. Oh.
Amazing.
Oh.
Oh, so hot. All right.
Good boy.